Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Louis. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. The weather is really nice.
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
I like sunny mornings. They make me happy.
Me too. Do you want to walk to class together?
Sure, let's go.
Oh no, it's raining again.
Yes, and I didn't bring my umbrella.
Don't worry, you can stand under mine.
Thank you. That's very kind.
The rain is heavy today. Look at the street.
Yes, the cars are moving slowly.
I hope the bus comes soon.
Me too. I don't want to be late.
Wow, it's so windy today.
Yes, the trees are shaking a lot.
Look, the leaves are flying everywhere.
I should wear my scarf. It feels cold in the wind.
That's a good idea. Do you like windy weather?
Not really. It makes my hair messy.
Haha, that's true. But I like the fresh air.
Yes, the air does feel clean.
Look at all the snow. The whole city is white.
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Do you want to make a snowman?
Sure, that sounds fun.
I'll roll the big ball for the body.
And I'll make the head.
Don't forget the nose. We can use a carrot.
Great idea. Winter is cold, but it can be fun.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's warm but not too hot.
Look at the flowers. They're starting to bloom.
Spring is my favorite season. Everything feels new.
Mine too. I enjoy walking outside when the air is fresh.
Do you want to sit and have some tea in the garden?
That's a wonderful idea. Let's relax and enjoy the sunshine.
It's extremely hot today. I feel like I'm melting.
I know. I was walking outside and I couldn't stand it.
Did you drink enough water?
Not really. That's why I ordered this ice lemonade.
Good choice. In summer, I always carry a bottle of water.
That's smart. I should do that too.
Summer can be nice, but sometimes the heat is too much.
Exactly. I prefer spring or autumn weather. Be careful. It's hard to see the road today.
Yes, the fog is very thick. I can't see more than a few meters ahead.
That's dangerous. Maybe we should drive slowly.
Definitely. Safety is more important than speed.
I wonder if the fog will clear later.
Usually, it goes away when the sun comes out.
Let's hope so. I don't like driving in this weather.
Neither do I. It makes me nervous.
Did you hear that thunder? It was so loud.
Yes, and I saw the lightning. It lit up the whole sky.
The storm is getting stronger. Look at the rain on the windows.
I'm glad we're inside. It would be terrible to be outside now.
True. When I was a child, I was afraid of thunder.
Me too. But now I think storms are powerful and interesting.
As long as we're safe at home, I can enjoy watching them.
Exactly. It's like a free light show in the sky.
The weather is so unpredictable today.
Tell me about it. First it rains heavily, then the sun shines brightly.
I don't know whether to wear a raincoat or sunglasses.
Maybe you should carry both, just to be safe.
Good idea. It's like the weather can't make up its mind.
This kind of weather always makes me laugh. It feels like 4 seasons in one day.
True. But at least it's not boring.
That's right. It keeps life interesting.
Have you noticed how hot the summers have become in recent years?
Yes, I think it's connected to climate change.
Definitely. I read that global temperatures are rising every year.
That's worrying. We really need to take care of the environment.
Absolutely. Small actions like saving energy and recycling can help.
True. If everyone does their part, we can slow down the problem.
I also think governments should invest more in clean energy.
I agree. Solar and wind power are good alternatives.
Let's hope we can make a difference before it's too late.
Yes, the future depends on what we do today.